turn the lights out. Baby, turn the lights out.
Ora boas pessoal, daqui quem fala é o Puto Capa e sejam bem-vindos pessoal aqui a mais um episódio daquela que é a nossa série de The Wolf Among Us. Estamos aqui hoje para continuar a parte 3 do episódio 3. Pessoal, estamos aqui ainda para continuar a investigação sobre o nosso patrão e Carbon Crane, pessoal. Que ele ainda anda a monte. Ainda não o conseguimos apanhar. Vamos ver se o vamos apanhar nesta parte do episódio. Espero bem que sim. Que esse gajo está a precisar de levar uma coça. Espero bem que a gente o vá conseguir apanhar. Mas é isso, pessoal. E mais uma coisa, pessoal, antes de iniciarmos aqui. Eu entrei numa possível parceria nova, que é o site da Instant Gaming, que vai estar em todas as descrições dos meus vídeos, pessoal. É um site onde vocês podem comprar os vossos jogos a preços baratos, por isso passem lá, o link da Instant Gaming vai estar na descrição. Mas é isso, pessoal, aqui uma nova parceria para o meu canal, e espero que gostem, e vamos dar o vosso forte like já por causa dessa parceria. Obrigado ao Fusas por me ter falado da parceria. Muito obrigado a Fusas. E és um grande amigo e tu sabes. Mas é isso, pessoal. Vamos lá começar. E vamos lá deixar o vosso like. E vamos começar. Mas é o episódio, pessoal, que vocês querem é ver esta série que está bastante intensa, pessoal. Vamos lá continuar aqui. E no último episódio tínhamos ficado em ir ao escritório dos Tweedledee, que é aqueles dois irmãos que já me deram porrada no episódio anterior e noutros episódios atrás. Por isso, quem não se lembra, vocês já vão ver quem eles são. São os grandes palhaços, pessoal. São os grandes palhaços mesmo. E espero que esteja tudo fixe aí com a câmera. Estão a ver. Aqui o nosso canal evoluiu por cá. Aqui está. Vamos entrar no escritório dos Tweedledee. Quem é este gajo com o chapéu de sapo?
So I wouldn't take any chances, hombre. Last guy who messed with me got his marbles kicked right through his abdomen, all right?
Excuse me.
Oh. Hi, Sheriff.
Flycatcher.
Papa Formigas, vocês estão bem?
Are you okay? Your face...
Bluebeard was here. He was looking for something. I don't know what. He said it was an official
investigation. É lá, mas este gajo está
How
cheio
was
de
I supposed
estilo,
to know
mal.
if he was telling the truth?
Este gajo está cheio de
When I wouldn't let him
estilo.
in,
Shit.
found what he was looking for, I guess. It's just super annoying. I just finished
Que ele
cleaning.
pegou.
What did he take?
I don't know what he wanted. I didn't see what he did after. I'm really sorry, Big B. Was he telling the truth? He said you sent him, but
Eu só
I
estou a
don't know, I just
perguntar o que é
thought
que
he
ele
was lying.
pegou. Tu ainda não me
I'm not
respondeste.
supposed to just let people in here. But then he got mad, saying, oh, just terrible things.
He was lying. I didn't send him here. You did the right thing.
Okay. Good. Oh, I'm gonna get fired. Crane already let me go from the Woodlands.
Is that why you're here?
He said I just got in the way. Told me to get lost. The twins offered me a job here working the night shift, so I'd have something.
Yeah.
What do I do now? It's nice, you know, quiet. I come in and clean up. They're usually pretty nice, understanding.
That's not really my problem.
Right, I know. Sorry.
Look, I'm running out of time. Ah, shit.
Is everything okay?
I gotta go.
What? Where?
I'm headed to the Trip Trap. Just call Snow and tell her what's happened, okay? Can you do that for me?
Okay, I guess.
Obrigado. Papa formiga deste gajo aqui.
Take care of yourself, Fly.
You too, Sheriff Bigby.
Vamos ao trip trap, pessoal. Vamos. Afinal, fomos ali fazer não sei o quê. Vamos só ao trip trap fazer não sei o quê. Mas ok. Vamos ao trip trap. Trip trap. Trip trap. Já estamos a chegar aqui, pessoal. Bar trip trap. 45 minutos restantes.
We're closed. Guys, open up. It's the sheriff.
Mas essa. Mas é já. Pá.
Hey, look, Woody, it's the sheriff. Well, come on in, buddy.
Obrigado, obrigado.
Brent. Yeah, sure. Thanks.
I want a drink. Anybody else want a drink?
Brent, Swinehart said you shouldn't mix it
You
with...
think I give a fuck what that fucking guy says? Or what you say?
Brent, really, you shouldn't drink right now.
I can't hear you when you mumble.
Have you seen Lily's things? What wasn't burned at the funeral?
Is that stuff supposed to be here, or...?
Nope, haven't seen it.
Holly's asleep in back, but you won't be able to wake her.
Really? The doc gave them both barmecidal ambrosia for the pain.
Yeah.
Look,
A Lily está a dormir lá
you're
atrás,
just
pessoal.
going to sleep
A gente.
like I am right now. It gives you a very, very, very nice high.
And he said that he shouldn't mix it with alcohol.
É, o gajo vai se embobadar ali, pessoal. O gajo vai se
Yes, he did.
O gajo vai se
Certainly
embobadar.
did. But let me tell you something. I haven't felt this good in a long time, fat boy.
There's no way to wake her up.
Oh, no. And anyways, the doctor gave me strict orders to let the fine woman sleep. She's
Tá bem.
had a very traumatic experience.
É pá, estás mesmo com uma grande besana, meu. Estás com uma bobadeira pior que a minha.
That
Atenção, pessoal,
funeral
eu não estou
back
bêbado.
there, that was a shitty fucking send-off for a pretty
Isso.
okay lady.
Yeah.
You weren't fucking there. Talking to Bigby now, okay? Can't say you being there helped things much.
Gren, don't start nothing.
Who's starting anything?
You think I shot up the place? It wasn't my fault.
They got away though, didn't they? Whatever. It's alright. I'm too out of it to get into it.
Yeah.
I want to clear the air. We're all in this dung heap of a fucking shit town together. We're
Ai,
all gonna
apanhar.
have a toast. All of us.
Fellas, I'm here for one thing. To look through Lily's belongings and get out of here. Now,
Yeah, I know. And I want to help you, okay? And I will. But first, indulge me. It'll take 2 seconds. As a show of good faith. And after, we'll all hunt and peck for Lily's
Mas
shit
is-
or whatever.
Grand Bigby didn't come here to get
Beber,
loaded.
vai. Vamos beber um copo, pessoal.
To the dead.
À morte, já. Já.
All right, now help me.
Grand, the doc said you needed a rest.
How many times you fucking gonna warn me about it, huh?
Hey,
You're not
don't-
my fucking mother, so just get off my back!
I said I was sorry, all right? I can't do anything about it. It's done.
Ei, calma, ei! Acalma desse lado, tá bem?
What more do you want?
What is the problem here? What stupid shit will you both not let go?
É, para lá com isso já.
You haven't heard the news. This walking lard cake was paying Holly's sister to let him fuck her behind all of our backs. And Holly had to find out going through all of her sister's shit. What fun that must have been. Trick after trick of this fat ass and Lily.
I didn't plan for that, all right? And our thing, whatever it wasn't a
Olá,
big
pera
deal.
lá que este gajo tem
It
problema com a caps.
wasn't. I never fucked her when she was snowing. I didn't know nothing about that.
No, but you knew Holly would flip out. And you knew for a damn good fucking reason.
You know what? Fuck this. I don't need this shit.
Oh yeah, that's it. Now you're teary-eyed. You were always such a lowlife.
É pá,
You
calma
didn't
desse lado,
realize
meu.
it till
Vocês
now.
eram
You
tão
think
amigos
about
e
this
agora
fucking
estão
loser,
em
Sheriff.
fogo.
He can think whatever he wants. I don't give a shit.
No, that's okay, because I'll tell you what he thinks.
I think whatever happened was between them. And Lily is dead. So let's put this whole thing to rest, Gren.
Já, vamos ficar... Calma, pessoal. Calma esse lado.
I don't know where Lily's shit is. Check Holly's room, I don't know. But I wouldn't wake her if I were you. Sleepwalkers and trolls. I think that's the rule. Maybe, ogres, too.
I thought you said you would help me look.
Actually, Bigby, if you'll excuse me, it seems that I'm gonna pass out. What a day. Am I right, Sheriff? What a fucking day.
Olha, adormeceu. Glenn não se vai lembrar disto. Então, claro que ele não se vai lembrar disto, pessoal. Ele está com uma grande bobadeira. Como é que ele se vai lembrar disto? Ele está com uma grande bobadeira. Então, claro que não vai, tipo... Claro que não vai, tipo, cuidar isso. Olha, fixe. E parece que esta também apanhou uma grande moca. Tá.
That you, Woody?
No, Holly. It's me, Bigby.
Bigby. Bar's closed. And excuse me, but I'm not in the mood for entertaining. But what the fuck? I know you're not gonna leave. You do what you want. You always do what you want.
Aqui as três irmãs, pessoal. Que pena, sério.
Do you even give a shit about us? The strays? The ones that aren't in that fancy high-rise. Those of us that gotta work for a living.
Holly, just because I live in the woodlands doesn't mean I'm not one of your strays. I'm not Crane or Cole. I didn't exactly grow up wearing clothes.
Yeah, I know you didn't.
Olha, lá está um símbolo igual àquele que a gente encontra lá no...
Why'd you even come here? There's nothing here to investigate.
I came to say I was sorry, Holly, for the funeral and everything that's happened.
No, you didn't.
Tô sim. Tô sempre a pedir desculpa.
Be honest, Sheriff. Why are you going after him? Crane, you could have quit a long time ago, but you're still going. Why? Did they give you this job for a reason? Or was this the only thing the business office
Isso é pela
would let
feita.
you do?
É. Porque ela era a nossa
I'm
amiga,
doing this
pessoal.
for
Isto é
Faith.
pela feita.
Oh, at least you're honest. You just remember, whatever bullshit excuse you tell yourself, I'm counting on you. So don't have any more fuck-ups.
If you were getting your glamour on this day, then one of these has to be the witch.
Yeah.
Auntie Greenleaf. Gotcha.
Hello, this is Snow White calling. I'm looking for Bigby. Is anyone there? Bigby, if you're there, pick up, okay?
Já estou aqui.
Snow?
Oh, thank God. Tell me you found something.
I got it, Snow. Her address was here with Lily's things. It's on, White Plains Avenue, 1284. It's an apartment complex.
Great.
All right, let's go. I don't want to miss him.
I'll meet you there.
All right, I'll see you there.
Fixe, pessoal. Encontramos a casa da bruxa, pessoal. Finalmente. Finalmente, pessoal.
Bigby! I just got here.
Yeah, me too. It's number 23. I haven't seen it yet.
We're late.
Yeah,
Agora-
I know.
É o 23, pessoal.
All right. How do you want to do this?
Bater à porta, claro. Agora vamos ser tipo... vamos bater à porta primeiro.
Hello?
Hi.
Olha,
Woke me up.
Sorry about that.
Is something wrong?
Where's Crane? Is he still here?
I don't know who that is. I'm sorry, I don't really... Do you live in the building?
No, we don't live here.
Are you the missus of the house? Or is your mother at home?
My mommy's not here. She's probably working.
Do you have a name?
Rachel, who are you? Just so
sou o
we're
xerife.
not strangers.
Well, I'm the sheriff, and this is my partner.
Boss.
Pleased to meet you. How do you do? Is there,
Peço desculpa,
is there
pessoal.
anything you need? I'm not allowed to let people in.
Is Auntie Greenleaf at home? Does she live here?
You mean my mom?
She ever, you know, make the nightstand levitate, turn frogs into cats, that kind of thing?
Is she a witch, dear?
No, I would never call my mommy that. She treats me all right. Is there
Vou dar uma
something
olhada.
you want?
Well, this has all been thoroughly enlightening, but I'm still gonna have to search the apartment, so step aside, kid.
Wait, please. I don't know if I'm allowed.
Oh, it's okay. Really. We'll be very quick, and he won't touch anything.
Haha.
I've been here all night. Nobody's been here.
Pois. Tá bem, José.
Okay, Sheriff. I'm gonna trust you not to break anything. Don't get me in trouble.
What are we looking for specifically?
Crane, he could still be here.
Vamos lá investigar, pessoal. Vamos lá investigar, vamos dar uma olhada em tudo.
It's pretty rare to see a burner like this.
Dowdy. That's how we like it.
É. Vamos olhar aqui. Vamos olhar tudo, pessoal.
Big band or classical?
Honky tonk.
No accounting for taste. Your mom a hunter?
Oh no, she never... That was found in the woods around Dick's Mountain, I think.
Ai. Deve ter sido, deve.
That your mom?
Uh-huh. No one's been over all night, so...
He's just going to check. It'll only take a moment.
Vamos só olhar, vamos.
Not here.
There's no one here but me.
É isto tudo. Eu acredito em ti como se tivesse confiar em ti. Como se tu fosses minha amiga para eu confiar em
Where do
ti.
you buy your clothes?
At a store?
Oh, my mommy makes all of mine.
Oh, bruxinha, vamos lá descobrir.
How much longer do you think it'll be?
Epá,
I saw a spider over there yesterday.
Oh?
It was a pretty one.
tá bem, eu preciso se calhar.
Do you like broccoli?
Not really.
I love it.
Ah, falta aqui, pessoal, falta aqui olhar.
What is this?
Mommy uses that to carve her trinkets. It's from the old world.
Trinkets? Like glamours?
Faltava ali, pessoal, faltava ali.
There's nothing that looks like Crane was here either.
Nothing?
See?
Tá bem, mas espera lá, vamos lá ver aqui uma coisa. Temos que.
Do you have any pets?
Not technically.
Mas tem que haver uma maneira de a fazer falar. Temos que arranjar aqui uma maneira de a fazer falar. Vamos lá ver se a gente consegue fazer falar. Vamos lá ver, vamos lá ver. Não, para ali já não há mais nada. Vamos lá falar com ela. Vamos tentar falar com ela.
I can have my mom call you later or something.
Não há.
Who is finished yet?
Tem que haver uma maneira de fazer esta bruxa falar. Que eu sei que é a criança que está disfarçada. A gente tem que haver uma maneira de a fazer falar. Não sei como, mas a gente vai arranjar aqui uma maneira de a falar, pessoal. Tem de a pôr a falar.
Sometimes when I concentrate, I can hear the park animals' dreams floating in through the walls.
Wow, that's, nice.
É porreiro, é porreiro. É pá, vocês não ligam isso que ela está a te enganar, pá. Tens que ver isso. Sair, deixa eu ver se a gente
I
consegue sair.
really should be going back to bed.
Não, não vais voltar para a cama, não. Vamos aqui. Ah, faltava aqui a porta do armário, ok. Com
A
cantã.
butcher.
What's that?
A package having to do with someone called the Butcher. It's empty.
Oh, bruxa, agora começa a falar. Vá.
God damn it.
Shouldn't say that.
Nothing?
I keep getting whiffs of that aftershave of his.
I do too.
Can I go to bed now? Please?
Não vai lá, não vai lá.
Is that a glamour tube?
Mommy really doesn't let anyone play with that. Trust me, I've tried.
Com licença.
Oh, no. Please, just put that back exactly where you found it. No one is allowed to play with
It's
that.
all right, honey. Bigby's not going to break
You
it.
don't understand. She will freak out if she discovers I've let people in here and let them touch her stuff, okay? She checks all the time to see if things
Eu
move.
terei cuidado.
I'm gonna break it. I just want to open it.
No! Put it down! Please, don't! This isn't what you think! You gotta believe me.
Cala-te lá!
Here, I
Sua
promise.
bruxa.
It's gonna be okay, Rachel.
Please, I'm begging you. I don't wanna get in trouble.
Auntie Greenleaf.
Ela disse.
Hurts when you
Ela é uma bruxa, pessoal. Eu não disse. Ela é uma bruxa. Ela é uma bruxa, pessoal.
What?
You picked the wrong night to lie to me. No more lying, no more ring around the rosy, no more bullshit non sequiturs. You're done. It's over. You're gonna tell me what I want to know right now.
All right, start explaining. And from the beginning.
Where's Crane? Speak quickly.
I ain't a fortune teller, Wolf. I have no heavenly idea where he went to.
You have to know something.
Unless you want a recipe for owl stew.
You're an accomplice to murder. Do you realize that?
You might want to check your
Já, ela é
facts on that.
cúmplice, pessoal.
It doesn't matter. I can't help you. I have no interest in being turned into a skink and crushed under boot heels. There's powers at work here beyond your pathetic authority.
Whatever it is, Greenleaf, whatever it is that's keeping you from saying something,
I don't give a shit about your problems, Greenleaf. Just talk, now.
You have no idea what's going on, do you?
okay, you know what I think? I think we've been more than patient with you. This witch has been selling illegal glamours that continue to undermine everything we've built. She's harboring a fugitive that took advantage of it. And now she's everything. Right! I frankly don't give a crap. If she's afraid for her life, we can at least make sure she never hurts us again. We're destroying the tree.
No!
Destruímos.
Come in here and
Eu vou queimar a árvore. Eu vou queimar a árvore.
That tree is ancient. It's part of the family, and it's the only thing paying for this shithole apartment. And the Fables, who can't afford the glamours from you, come to me for help. Without them, where do you think they could go?
Don't give me that. You're making money off of other people's misery. Two Fables.
Epá, eu quero queimar a árvore. Já estamos quase
It's too dangerous leaving
quase com 28 minutos, mas não interessa, pessoal, porque vamos queimar esta merda. Desculpa, pessoal. Esta treta de árvore. Vamos queimar isto.
We have very different ways of handling our fate.
Very different means to handle it, too.
Greenleaf Snow's right. The tree has to go.
No! Look, I'll tell you. Crane was here. He was here, and he left. He went to the pudding and pie to try to use my ring on the girls over there to get information.
What does the ring do?
He thinks it's the ring of dispel. You know, that it will pierce the protection around the
Mas não interessa, a gente vai. Eu queimo a árvore na mesma. Eu vou-te queimar a árvore na mesma.
It won't, though. Damn thing lost its power decades ago. Just please, you can catch him if you leave, okay? Just leave. And don't burn my tree.
Vou queimar, só para.
Begging you.
Orders are orders.
Vou queimar. Já foste. Diz adeus à árvore. Tchauzinho. Tchauzinho.
Doomed me. Do you know that?
Tchau.
You everything. And
Ciao.
you extinguish the only measure I have in this horrid world. What monsters are you? What horrible, evil, villainous, warped monsters are you? I have nothing.
Tchauzinho, bruxinha.
You took everything from me. I have nothing.
E pronto, pessoal. Queimamos a arma à bruxa. Espera aí, pessoal. Vamos só fazer o loading que é para eu me despedir de vocês. Espera aí. Está a fazer o loading lixado. Está a fazer o loading, pessoal.
That's Crane's car.
No, it's nothing you need to concern yourself with. I don't think so, at least. Hold on.
E pronto, pessoal, foi isto. Espero que tenham gostado. Se estão curiosos com o que vai acontecer no próximo episódio, deixem o vosso mega like para me ajudar a continuar esta série, que o final está próximo, pessoal. Mas é isso. Espero que tenham gostado. Partilhem com a avó, com a prima, com a tia, com a prima. Não interessa, partilhem com toda a gente. Comentem, digam nos comentários o que é que estão a achar desta série. Mas é isso, pessoal, e fui! Até o próximo vídeo!